Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to present how to use command line arguments inside a Python script. So here I have a plain Python script without anything in it, and first it's called myscript.py. So this is the script we're gonna be working on. So first, in order to use command line arguments, in order to access them, we need to import the sys library. And after we have done that, we can print first the number of arguments inside given to the script when called. So it's going to be sys.argv. So basically argv is a list of all the arguments that were given to the script, and the first element of that list, so argv0, is, so basically sys.argv0 is the name of the script. So in our case it's going to be myscript.py, and all the other arguments are going to be the arguments given by the user when calling the script. So first we print let's print my script start, and here we're going to print just some spacing for a better. Okay, so my script start. So when it starts, first I'm going to print the number of arguments, and then I'm going to print the arguments args list. Args list equals 2, and we're going to transform the sys.argv list into a string. So basically that's it. And after, in order to access those arguments individually, we can do a loop, for loop. So to access arguments individually, we'll do a for loop, I in range the length of the sys.argv list, and inside that range we're gonna print sys.argv, so the element I equals to sys.argv I. So basically we're going to print the element I of the arguments list, and then at the end we're just going to print that the script is end, the script ends, and we're gonna exit. That's it. So that's our script. That's how you access the arguments given to the script when it's called from the command prompt. Okay, so here, let's run that just to see if it works without any arguments. So what does it do? It says my script start, number of args equals 1. Here we have the argument list, which contains only the path to the script. And the loop also prints only the first argument, and the script ends. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna access with from the command prompt. We're gonna call it from the command prompt, and we're gonna use, so here we need to copy the location. So let's copy the location and navigate to that location in the command prompt. And now we're gonna run the script. So Python my script, and we're gonna give my arg1, my arg2, 3, 4, 5, 5.6. So those are the arguments. Oh, it's my script that py. I forgot that py. Okay, so what happens? Number of arguments 6. Args list my script is the first argument. My arg1, my arg2, and then it converts, like all the arguments are strings. So if you want to use the numeric type of that argument, then you need to convert it, to do a conversion inside your code. So basically all the arguments are strings, and then we have each element printed separately and my script end. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found the content interesting and useful, please subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Have a great day.